Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, dear friends. I know you are surprised that it is like back to back two videos. Yesterday you had a video and today you have another video. The thing is that I was not able to post a video last week because it was Onam time and it is special. So it was a bit busy. So sorry about that. But you have this second video today. We are going to learn 5 Malayalam words. I hope you enjoyed the first part of that. So we are going to learn the words on the go. Again, we actually learned till what house. Um, we were entering to the house and we were learning words related to that. So we'll continue the work and see what else we can find out. Okay. Okay. So the next word we are going to learn is chumar or chuvar. Chumar or chuvar. The last sound instead of you can say chumare or chuvare. It all means wall, wall. Okay, chumar, chuvar, chumare or chuvare. It is wall and in Hindi. हिंदी में आप दीवार कहते हैं, मलयालम में चुमर यानी चुवर यानी चुमर या चुवर कहते हैं. चुमर, चुवर, चुमर, चुवर कहते हैं दीवार को. Next word. Muri. Muri is room. Muri, room. हिंदी में आप जो कमरा बोलते हैं, मलयालम में मुरी. Next word is Kucera. Kucera. Kucera means chair. Chair is Kucera. हिंदी में आप जो कुर्सी बोलते हैं, मलयालम में Kucera. Kursi, Kucera. Chair is Kucera. Okay, next word. Next word is Mesa. Mesa is table. Mesa is table. हिंदी में हम मेज कहते हैं, मलयालम में मेशा. There is an interesting thing I'd like to point out right now. I was actually trying to learn Spanish like by my own, and I was going through a few words and I saw this word mesa for table. So in Spanish they say mesa for table, which is very close to what we say in Malayalam. Mostly probably due to the cultural transfer, but don't know much about it. But still, that was an interesting fact. It is like a not at all related languages, but they share some common words. So they have Mesa, which is table. We have Mesha in Malayalam. Next word is Khadigaram. Khadigaram is clock. Clock. हिंदी में हम घड़ी बोलते हैं, मलयालम में खड़ीगारम. But to be honest with you, I'm telling you this, no one in Kerala, no single person in Kerala say khadigaram. Everyone says clock. I have not heard anyone saying that word like that, using that word like khadigaram. I have never heard anyone using. I have always seen that in textbooks, but never someone saying that. So those were our 5 words. I hope you enjoyed this. What you want to do is you walk into your house, you see all these things. Definitely you will see all these things. So start saying that in Malayalam. That way you can learn these words. Okay? So hope you enjoyed it. If you have any doubts, any suggestions, use the comment section for that. Post it there. And as always, please like the video. And if you are here for the first time, please subscribe this channel. And thanks for watching. Namaskaram.